want to prepare pan-fried meat. Oh, I love meat, and I don't mind sharing a recipe that I normally use to pan-fry some meat. And yeah, watch out, and don't forget to subscribe below. Subscribe as you're cooking, and comment. Thank you. So the meat is here, and the assumption is that it's already chopped. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just wash the meat. Guys, our meat is already boiling. You can see that I did not put any water. I just ran water through the meat. And I think it's just safe to put some oil. There I'm putting some elianto, and yeah, whatever oil you use. And it's safe to just put some oil so that it doesn't stick just when the water, when it dries up. So put some oil so that when it, as it continues to boil, it can boil up to just finish the water it has, and then it can start frying. So we give it a 5 minutes as we prepare the ingredients. So our meat is boiling, and I can, yeah, there we are. Remember, I did not put any water, and you're seeing there's water. So we'll wait for the water to dry out as the meat is cooking. So you need to just keep turning it and turning it. Just check, turn, and check and turn.
So now that we are ready, you need to slice 2 onions and have some sliced ground pepper ready waiting, and then grind some ginger and have 2 Royco cubes. That is a spice that we use. You can also grind some garlic ready in preparation to merge it into the meat. So that is something that you need to prepare in advance. I like putting in some salt to help me grind it easier. It gives it that friction, so that you can easily grind the garlic or the ginger in the pounding container. I don't know what to call it. Then add ginger and garlic, then stir in the mixture slowly. You're seeing me slowly stir in the garlic and ginger. So keep turning slowly so that you make sure that every piece of the meat absorbs the ginger and the garlic. So you notice I leave it for a while, I keep turning. I leave it for a while, I keep turning. I want, wow, the smell is so amazing. Oh my God, it's smelling so nice. And the way I love meat, it is nice. It's coming out very well. So I want to give the meat some time so that it can cook, the ginger can come in well. Then add the spices. That is the Royco cube I'd shown you earlier on. So I'm grinding it or breaking it into smaller pieces as I'm adding. Add whatever spices you want to taste, so that just notice that once you add spices, it will start sticking on the, it will stick on the pot. So you need to now lower the heat and keep turning slowly as you make sure that the spices coat around the meat. I've added just a little water so that the spices in the pot or can come off the pot, so that it can get into the meat. I've also added some water so that the spices can get in the meat, so just not just coating but also in the meat. Then when almost ready, add onions and green pepper. Remember I said you add onions and green pepper as a last resort, so that it's a bit raw, so that you can savor in the taste of the onion and the green pepper. So stir just for a bit, give it like 2 minutes, cover it up, then it is ready to eat. This has been Miss Nyakiba. Thank you so much for watching my cooking videos. This is Miss Nyakiba's kitchen. Please subscribe below, click on the notification bell, and stay around so that we can see how it turns out. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.